Hello everybody, Max with A1 Website Pro. Today we have a very simple tutorial and it's just creating a Gmail account. Some people are having trouble creating Gmail accounts, so I thought, well hell, I'll just go ahead and make a simple tutorial. And also, if you already have your phone number linked to another Gmail account, you can link it to more than one. So that's one thing that you're going to have to do during this tutorial. You're going to have to get a code from Google because they like to verify that you're a real person and that you're creating this email for yourself. So anyway, let me go ahead and we'll start on this tutorial. Let's see here. Let me back it up here. First of all, we're going to go down here to where it says create account. And then we're just going to make one for personal use. But you could make one for your child, or you can make one for your work or business. And that takes you through another different questions. But we're just going to make this for personal use. And so right here we'll type in my name, my last name, and then I'll create a username, maximusbmccullough@gmail.com. Then you have to enter a password. Then you have to confirm that password because obviously you can't see what you're typing. And we'll click the next button. And here is where you need to put in your phone number. Now, if you have a Google Voice phone number, it doesn't work. As you can see, I tried it here, but it cannot be used for this type of verification. So you have to have a regular cell phone number and enter that in there, and that'll work for you. You're going to be getting a verification code on your trusty old cell phone, and then you'll just enter that verification code in right here. Next, you're going to enter a recovery email. I highly recommend that you put in this recovery email because if you don't put in a recovery email and you lose your account or you forget your password or you're trying to sign in, then there's no way really to recover it. Possibly with the phone number, but a lot of times I've had clients that can't remember their password and they never entered a backup email. And of course, you put your date of birth in and your gender, and you select next. And then you just put this in right here because there's other services. You can make video calls and so on and so forth. And you could just select I'm in, but there's other things too that Google has, like ads and that are relevant to you. And I just click I'm in. Of course, you have to agree to the terms of service. So you click I agree. So now the next thing that you want to do is you want to be able to sign into your Gmail account. And so let's go ahead and do that here. So you'll go to gmail.com, very simply, and then you'll get your login screen. You just put in your email address that you just created, and you'll select Next. After that, you put in your password. Select Next. Flash as slow, and you're there. Voila, you're done.